You can feel healthier in 30 days with this vegetarian experiment. Please take a quick moment to subscribe and click the bell icon to stop missing out on important giveaways. Many people can't imagine even a single day without eating meat. Many others have decided that a vegetarian lifestyle is the right way to stay healthy and enjoy food. Though a vegetarian lifestyle started out as a fad in the Western world, it now enjoys the status of being a scientifically supported path to healthy living. However, deciding to become a vegetarian may be challenging. If you've considered adopting a vegetarian diet but are still sitting on the fence, a 30-day trial might be your best solution. By only aiming for 30 days, the task won't seem as challenging. After 30 days, you can evaluate the results and make an informed decision about whether or not you would like to continue this way of eating. Following these tips will help to ensure your success. 1. Get rid of all non-vegetarian foods. One thing always seems to hold true: if you like eating it and it's in the house, you will eat it. If possible, get all non-compliant foods out of the house. Why give yourself the temptation? Give yourself every opportunity to be successful. 2. Find some vegetarian recipes. For the 30 days to be a success, it will be helpful if you're able to find some recipes that look appealing. Being a vegetarian isn't all about eating fruit and salads. There are thousands of delicious recipes that do not contain meat as an ingredient. Either purchase a book or find some recipes online. Experiment a little. If you're like most people, you probably don't eat a very wide variety of foods. Now is a great time to try something new. There's a great chance you've never even tried your true favorite food. 3. Tell the appropriate people. Obviously, anyone living in your household is going to notice a change in your dietary habits. But consider which of your friends you're going to inform of your 30-day vegetarian experiment. We all have friends that are very supportive. However, most of us also have friends that can be less than supportive. Be wise about which friends you involve. The best people to include will support you and challenge you to continue when the going gets tough. Avoid any social drag by keeping your vegetarian trial to yourself when it comes to those that are likely to make your experiment more difficult. 4. Remind yourself of the benefits. Many things are exciting when first getting started, but become more challenging over time. Take a few minutes each day to remind yourself of why you're experimenting with this dietary change. List the benefits and consider how great you're going to feel when the 30 days have passed. 5. Focus on one day at a time. Looking ahead 20 days or more can make the task more daunting. By focusing only on just today, the task will be much more manageable. You can certainly be successful today. If you string enough todays together, you'll make it to the end with minimal challenges. At the end of 30 days, evaluate the results. How do you feel? Did you spend more or less money on your food? How convenient was it? Has your weight changed? Is this something that would be worthwhile adopting long-term? Changing any habit tends to be challenging, but a vegetarian diet is worth considering for many people. Give yourself the gift of experimenting for 30 days with vegetarianism. You never really know if it can work for you unless you give it a fair chance. Good luck. Please share your thoughts in the comments below.